Jamaica's shores witnessed 26,000 fearless individuals rise before dawn, braving the unpredictable waters day after day. They are the Jamaican fishers.
My name is Jason Garden, otherwise known as Froggy. I'm a fisherman on the feature bank and also on the inner bank. I basically go to sea 5 days a week from the weather good. So, yeah man, welcome to my beach and let's go fishing, right?
They are the backbone of a vibrant coastal community, and today, on International Fisherman's Day, we celebrate their unwavering spirit, resilience, and connection to the sea.
Hard enough.
With each sunrise, they set out on their boats, guided by the rhythms of the tides and the whispers of the wind. The sea becomes their classroom, teaching them patience, courage, and the art of survival. But their journey is not without challenges. The sea, like life itself, can be unpredictable. They face treacherous storms, uncertain catches, and the hard work to provide for their families and feed the nation. They share their experience and knowledge of the sea.
Yeah, what type of fishing is this now, Jason?
Right now we're doing some trolling. As you can see, we're using a wire line.
Okay.
Mainly to catch wahoo, kingfish, and barracuda. Over here we're using a plastic line to catch some tuna.
Tuna?
Yeah. We'll catch a wahoo and the kingfish and also, but the tuna love the plastic line, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. We're in a 200 feet of water, right? Okay, good. After I get the privilege to carry out the minister today, so I don't see how I don't want to try my best to make him catch a fish today, so yes, because the next time the camera turn on, the minister will be fighting something, you know?
How long you been fishing, Jason?
Minister, you know, I'm 38 and I'm fishing from a 12-year-old. Minister, the fish them get less. Fish them get less. We have to fishing hard, we have to use different methods of catching the fish. Only little changes. I never use a set net. And eventually I have to do that because the fishing population get less. Fish them get wiser to minutes. I want them to go to school. Yes, Minister.
Yeah.
This is my navigation. A very good GPS 78. Highly recommend all fishermen should have one of these, yeah? We have a little safety measure here in case we have an emergency. On a ship apart, we can take out a little. Easy to use. All fishermen, put him together. Yes, man.
Why that low?
Right, come, Minister. We have a flare.
Okay.
Yeah, we can light. Yeah. And all fishermen have one of these. Also, a good waterproof flashlight.
Okay.
Highly recommended, yeah. Shallow water fishing. Grass and rock on the banks. Not much to catch again. With the hook and line in the deep. Yeah, we use like the electric rod them.
Okay.
Yeah, we're fishing like 1,200 feet of water.
Okay.
Yeah, basically 400 meters sometimes. Yeah.
And the results are good?
Yeah, man, and we even get better price.
Absolutely.
With those kind of fish, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys are red fish. We do spear fishing, but not so healthy for the reef.
No, yeah.
No, so we
Cut that out.
I saw a little boy I come up where one of them look like him a turn fisherman too, you see?
Okay.
So if I continue to spear the fish them out of the reef, you know I'm going to have nothing to catch, right, Captain?
Agreed.
So we put the spear gun aside.
So when you just started, just like 20 odd years ago, there was a lot more fish in the shallow areas.
Yes, man. When we just started, we never need more than about 8 pot. 8 fish
That's
pot.
all.
That's all. Right now, if you don't have 100 odd, it don't make no sense.
So you know we had started doing like some protected areas to try and build back the fish population. You think that's a good idea?
Definitely, man. We need that. We really need that. I wouldn't mind if the whole reef inside I could have protected.
I make everybody go out.
Everybody go out for fish, yeah.
I love captaining the boat, most of all. I love seeing the fish and the lobster and the chops. You know? Give me a different peace of mind when I'm out at sea as well. It make my mind rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do. What more you think can be done to help fishermen?
Well, as you said, sanctuary. Yeah, because Jamaica water is overfished. You know? So
Good.
if we can get in some more sanctuary so the fish can breed up and go out, that would be good.
How old are you, Dante?
And I'm 20,
And how long you been going to sea?
from I'm 14.
So you catch a barracuda.
Yeah! Yeah!
Mind the hook, Minister, mind the hook. Keep him far from you, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah!
Whoa. Lobster is not in season now. Lobster season closed.
Yeah.
Minister,
Yes.
you want to be the one to release him for me, please?
Yes. Yeah, so even though it's caught, we put it back because
we can't-
lobster is not in season now.
We can't stop it from going in
Yeah.
the trap, but when it comes, we release it.
Fisheries is by far one of our most important sectors here in Jamaica, and I really want to commend the hard-working fishermen and women who go out almost daily to ensure that we have the most wonderful seafood on our table. On this International Fisherman's Day, I just want to commend, thank, appreciate all the fishers and to say the ministry is here to support you. We will be rolling out a number of programs across this year, including one, supplying you with inputs. We're going to be starting what we call a production input relief program for you, because we know that the cost of lines and those things are very challenging. So we're going to help you subsidize some of that over the course of the next year. We also know that the fisherman beaches need some work. So in terms of the restroom facilities, things of that nature, we're going to be working on that. But importantly, I think one of the best things that have come out today is the fact that we need to protect our ocean. We need to develop more sanctuaries where our fish can grow and flourish again. So we're going to be helping the fishermen to go deeper out while we protect more of our near shore so that we can bring back the population, so that we can have decades and generations of fishermen and women. So, happy International Fisherman's Day.
We salute the Jamaican fishers whose passion and dedication light the way forward for future generations to follow. May their legacy forever remain etched in the heart of this proud nation. Amid the adversity, a profound sense of community prevails. United by a shared passion for their craft, together they lend a hand, offer guidance, and find solace in the company of those who understand the passion they feel. Happy International Fisherman's Day to the brave and resilient Jamaican fishers who embody the true spirit of the sea.